Hey guys, what's up? It's Ark here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to change your hertz and also your frame rate. They're kind of the same thing, or at least in Windows they kind of are really similar. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to do that right now. Alright, so first step, you're just going to want to right click on the Windows home, or just back screen I guess. And you're going to go to NVIDIA Control Panel. From here, you can change your resolution, you can pretty much do everything, but all you're going to want to worry about is just refresh rate right here. So I can switch this to 60 if I feel like it and then hit apply. And now we're on 60 hertz and it feels really bad, but yeah, you can also do it through the advanced display settings tab, but that you can only go down from here. I guess I can't go back up. So if you want to go back up from going down, you have to go here and you can select 240, apply. And yeah, that's that. It's really simple, really straightforward. If you have any problems, just let me know in the comments down below, but you know, this should work. If you want to change your resolution, you should be able to do it right here, and your frames should just match whatever your hertz are, so that should work. If you guys want to know just anything else, just let me know, and yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Do like, sub, and yeah, later.